My name is Pierre Elias. I am an aspiring music producer, and I would like to discuss the impact of technology on the music industry. In the past, music was performed by live musicians playing real instruments in front of actual listeners. Music was tediously written onto staff paper, and musicians had to practice until they could play the entire piece mistake-free. The introduction of electrical and computerized hardware, such as microphones and workstations, has given composers and musicians the freedom to produce new music easier, faster, more precise, and on their own time. Thanks to the internet, a group of musicians can put a song together and they don't have to meet face to face. The evolution of hardware has heavily impacted the music industry. As music advanced, the demand to hear performances increased. Enter the phonograph. Thomas Edison derived a way to record music and make it available anytime. This single invention set the stage for our modern recording industry. Musicians made a lot of money for their time, and they searched for ways to simplify the creation process. As time passed and technology became more complex, the music industry saw big improvements. The phonograph gave way to the vinyl record, the first mainstream listening medium. As computers came into play, the compact disc was born. Musical instruments benefited from new technology. The emergence of new hardware changed the entire configuration of the recording studio. Producers saved money by replacing musicians with gadgets. Drummers were replaced by drum machines, and synthesizers provided all other necessary instrumentation. Software evolved in parallel to hardware. As computers and their processors became more powerful, the capabilities of software applications also grew. Sheet music has been mostly replaced by the digital audio workstations such as FL Studio and Pro Tools. These types of programs allow the user unparalleled flexibility and creativity. They incorporate every aspect of live music and reproduce every tone digitally. The digital age has brought about a new search for sonic perfection because it can now be attained with a noble effort. This has been the main impact of software and hardware on the music business, the search for sonic perfection. I have been producing for about 8 years now, and I have used various hardware and software such as the HP Pavilion, Apple MacBook Pro, Compact Presario, FPC Drum Machine, FL Studio, Logic Studio, Cakewalk, and Cubase, just to name a few. In my experiences, learning as much as you can about how your tools operate can shorten downtime and extend the life of your equipment. The more you keep in-house, the more money you can earn and save.